Hello and welcome to class. In today's class, we'll be looking at solving simultaneous linear equations using elimination method. Now consider the question: solve m plus 2n equal to 5 and 5m minus 2n equal to 7 simultaneously. In using elimination method, we would eliminate one of the unknowns in order to get the other unknown. M plus 2n equal to 5 is the first equation, while 5m minus 2n equal to 7 is the second equation. To eliminate one of the variables, I'm going to equate the coefficient of that variable. Now I'll be eliminating m, therefore I'm going to equate the coefficient of m in both equations. And to do this, I'm going to multiply the equations by the respective coefficients. Now I'm going to multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of m, which is 5. So I have 5 multiplied by equation 1. 5 times m is 5m, plus 5 times 2n is 10n. 5 times 5 is 25, so we have a new equation. I'll do the same for equation 2. I'll multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of m in equation 1, which is 1. So I have 1 multiplied by 5m minus 2n equal to 7. 1 times 5m is 5m, minus 1 times 2n is minus 2n. 1 times 7 is 7. So I have another new equation. So I have 5m plus 10n equal to 25. I also have 5m minus 2n equal to 7. And you notice that the coefficient of m in both equations are equal now. So I'm going to subtract in order to eliminate m. Now subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, 5m minus 5m, 5m cancels 5m. 10n minus 2n gives us 12n equal to 25 minus 7 is 18. Now we can go ahead and solve for m by dividing both sides by 12. Now 12 and then 12. 12 here 1, 12 here 1, I have n. Now the common factor of 18 and 12 is 6. So 6 into 12 is 2 and 6 into 18 is 3. So I have 3 over 2, which is the same thing as 1 whole number 1 over 2. Therefore n is equal to 1 whole number 1 over 2. Now I'm going to substitute this value of n into any of the equations. Using equation 1, I have m plus 2n equal to 5. Now m plus 2, recall that n is equal to 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 equal to 5. Now m plus 2 times 3 is 6 over 2 equal to 5. Now m here is same as m over 1 and this is same as 5 over 1. The LCM of 1, 2 and 1 is 2. Therefore I'm going to multiply all through by the LCM to clear the fractions. So I have 2 multiplied by m over 1 plus 2 multiplied by 6 over 2 equal to 2 multiplied by 5 over 1. Now 2 times m is 2m plus 2 times 6 over 2, 2 cancels 2, I have 6. 2 times 5 over 1 is 10. Now I'll collect like terms. When 6 moves here, it becomes negative 6. So I have 2m is equal to 10 minus 6. 2m is equal to 4. Dividing both sides by 2. 2 cancel 2. 2 into 4 is 2. Therefore, m is equal to 2. Therefore, n is equal to 1 whole number 1 over 2, and m is equal to 2. So the answer is E. So I want you to try out this exercise. Solve the equations x minus y equal to 0, 3x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 using elimination method, and write your answer in the comment section.